What is this thing called here? Talk to me about your drone.
That is the SWELLPRO FISHERMAN MAX.
SWELLPRO.
D2, I believe.
Okay. So this is built specifically for fishing.
Yes.
Okay.
For exactly like days like this.
Got it. And you don't want to use it when it's like more windy than this, though, right?
In a second, we got one more.
Yeah, it's just a little bit harder to control, but
okay.
I think it can take about 10 pounds, like up to a mile.
A mile.
Yeah.
Okay.
It uses satellite frequencies to almost like a radio station.
Love it, dude. I can't wait to see it. I'm glad I got to get here and see it work, man. Oh, heck yeah, bro. How much does that thing carry? 10 pounds? Dang. I want to see it happen. It's about to go up. Dude, I want to see this. Oh, I'm sure. That jackhead is probably, what, 3 pounds? 2-3 pounds. I want to see the process here. What's that? What do you bury the line for?
So it doesn't get tangled up in the...
Oh, okay.
Ready?
That's a release clip. Oh, I love it. Got it. So you bury the line so it doesn't get tangled in the prop. Interesting. Huh. Okay, here we go, boys. Here we go. That's sick, dude. There it goes.
Stop watching.
All right, boys. How far do we put this thing out? Yeah, big sharks come in that shallow, bro. All right, here we go. We're gonna see it drop. That is freaking awesome. Yep.
So like I can go up, oh, very good signal. Normally I can move the camera, it's up, down, I can look in the water.
Yep. Look around a little bit.
Yeah. And then I can go back up. But then if I'm here by myself, which I never am, and I'll go, if I need to get my lines ready, like if I need to do Thomas's job, all I do is go return to home.
And that's it, and it comes home?
And it's gonna turn around, look at it.
Really?
So now it's gonna land within 3 meters of where we're at.
You have to catch it?
The line's right here, obviously, so I'll just go normal. Let's go here. Now this is me.
That's sick, dude. So that camera can get in the sand? The camera on the bottom can get in the sand? Huh? It's not? Wow. That's sick, man. That's taking shark fishing to the next level. All right. While we're waiting for the shark to come. Oh, what happened? Oh, you got one. Look at that. Little Mahara. Look at that bad boy. That's good bait right there, dude. Good job. Hey, at least somebody's not skunked.
You're good. Hammer. You're good. Got the phone. There he goes. Maybe it is. Because that's a big run right there.
Dude, that was crazy that you picked that up, that you set hook into that. Just running straight in.
I know. Yeah, that sucked. That's weird though.
It's weird that it runs straight in if it's a hammer.
There's a wheel.
But I mean, you are out there 400 yards. Oh.
He's like right here.
Nice.
Take this out.